Updating to the latest version app and operating system. We're going to start the app. 3 buttons at the top. The latest version of the app is version 1.9 and in brackets 6.6. If you don't have this, you can always go to the Apple Store or swipe over and just go to the FAQ and instructional videos. Scroll down and we've got updating app right in the FAQs. That'll take you right into the App Store where you can get the latest version. Now we're going to start the level. Turn the backlight on. Right down here you see the latest version firmware or operating system. It should end in Y. If it ends in Z, that's fine. Z just runs diagnostics a little differently. Do not change it if your system is running Z firmware. To upgrade the system, we're going to hold the 0 and tap power. That gives us our Bluetooth connection. You can see in the app that we're connected. Once again, go to your 3 dots, firmware updates. The only option that you have is version Y. Install. Yes. This takes approximately 6 minutes. It will count up to 100. When it finishes, it will start over, reboot, and you'll have the latest version Y operating system up and ready to go.